Today, I'm going to teach you how to get payout from Wix. If you're earning money through Wix's partner programs, referrals, or advertisements, knowing how to properly access and manage your payouts is essential to ensure you receive your earnings smoothly. Before we dive in, if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website. Open your browser and navigate to wix.com. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Now look toward the top left part of your dashboard where you'll see a drop-down menu that displays your current project or website name. Go ahead and click on this drop-down. This is your gateway to accessing all the sites and projects you manage within your Wix account. Once you click on that drop-down, an expanded menu will appear, showing you a complete list of all the websites and projects you have under your Wix account. This is particularly helpful if you manage multiple sites and need to switch between them. From this menu, locate and click on the Go to All Sites link. This action will redirect you to your Wix account management page, which serves as the central hub for overseeing all your account activities, settings, and financial information. Now that you're on the Wix account management page, shift your attention to the left side navigation panel. Here you'll find various options related to your account. Look for the option labeled Earnings and click on it. This section is incredibly useful as it provides you with a comprehensive overview of all your earnings and revenue streams. Whether you're making money through referrals, partner programs, or anyone signing up using your link, everything is neatly organized here for you to review and track your financial performance. Within the Earnings section, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Find and click on the Payouts tab. This is where the real magic happens. The Payouts tab will show you the complete procedure of how payouts work from your earnings. You'll see detailed information about payouts from partner programs, signups, advertisements, and any other revenue sources you have connected to your Wix account. This page outlines the payout schedule, minimum thresholds, and payment methods available to you. Take your time here to familiarize yourself with the payout process so you understand when and how you'll receive your earnings. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated to your Wix payout section and can now manage and track your earnings efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.